Welcome to Divine Touch Healing Academy. This is Geetu Mirpuri. I'm an astrologer. I conduct classes for astrology, and this particular video is to explain you about the houses in astrology, Rashis in astrology, in Kundali and their lords. So as you can see in this chart, house number 1, it's written Aries. So let's assume there is Aries Rashi. So this chart is basically chart for Mesh Lagna or Aries ascendant, and this is also called Kalpurusha Kundali. So house number 1 there is Aries Rashi, house number 2 there is Taurus, house number 3 Gemini Rashi, house number 4 Cancer, house number 5 is Leo, house number 6 is Virgo, 7th Rashi is Libra, 8th Scorpio, 9 is Sagittarius, 10th is Capricorn, and 11th is Aquarius, and 12th is Pisces. Now these 12 houses has 12 Rashis. Lord of Aries is Mars. That means this house owner is Mars planet. House number 2, Rashi number 2 Taurus, the Lord is Venus. Gemini Lord is Mercury, and Cancer Rashi 4th house Lord is Moon. 5th house there is Leo sign, so Lord is Sun. And 6th Rashi Virgo, the Lord is Mercury. 7th house the Lord is 7th house the Lord is Venus. 8th house Lord is Mars. 9th house Lord is Jupiter. 10th is Saturn. 11th is Saturn, and 12th is again Jupiter. Now it's very easy to remember these lords. We have to understand 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are male Rashis. Okay, so the middle one is the 5th one. If I see 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, the middle one is 5th one. So the 5th one is given to the king. It's given to the sun. And next to 5th Rashi, that is 4, that is Cancer, it's given to Moon. So Moon is the ruler of Cancer Rashi. So king and queen, they take 5 and 4 number. And next to 5 and 4, that is 3 and 6, you can see it's taken by Mercury. Mercury is the prince. And next is 2 and 7, that is given to Venus. Venus is again princess. And next to Venus, 2 and 7, next to 2 and 7, there is 1 and 8, which is given to Mars planet. And Mars is the soldier or minister. And as we go one Rashi up and one Rashi up from Aries, one Rashi up from Scorpio, so we get 9 and 12. So 9 and 12, it's given to Jupiter, who is the guru, who is the spiritual master, who is the advisor. And to do the seva of all this, to do the service to all these king, queen, prince, princess, and the spiritual master, minister, Saturn is required, because Saturn represents the employees who are working in the king's court. So 10 and 11, these last two Rashis are given to Saturn. So this is the easy way to remember all the Rashis. We have to start from 5th house, that is king, 4 is queen, 3 and 6 is prince, 2 and 7 is princess, 1 and 8 is minister, and 12 and 9 is spiritual master, guru, Jupiter, 10 and 11 is Saturn, that represents the employees, people who are giving service. So this is the easy way to remember the lords of all Rashis. You can see in this chart 1 and 8 is Mars, it's easy way to remember. 2 and 7 is Venus. 3 and 6 is Mercury, 4 is Moon, 5 is Sun, 9 is Jupiter, 9 and 12 is Jupiter, 10 and 11 is Saturn. So I hope you all will like this video. This is for the beginners of astrology, those who are new to astrology. And to join our classes, you can contact us on these numbers or you can email us. There are crash courses available where you can finish the complete Vedic astrology course in 6 months, and there are weekend courses available and the course goes for 1 year. So to join these classes, you can contact us on these numbers. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly like the video and kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.